Let's do those. Pick my Christmas makeup. Eyebrows first. Okay. I just used a pomade just to fill in the center part here and added a little bit on the ends. Eyeshadows next. Ooh, what's it gonna pick? What? Added some baby blue to my waterline first. Then I'm gonna do some white on my inner corner and along my lash line with a wing. I'm going in with this blue eyeshadow base all over my lid, joining up to the wing. Same blue along my bottom lash line. Eyeliner next. Come on. Okay, filling in the black part of the wing first, and I went ahead and did my inner corner. So I've added a white wing liner right on top of that black. Then I'm just going in with some red face paint to add the red line. Now for the freckles. Come on, hopefully this will... Oh, snowman. It kind of goes with the eyes, I guess. For the snowman, I've got some white face paint on the end of my brush, and I'm just doing 2 circles. I've done one here, and then I'm going to do a smaller one right on top of that. Just adding all the black details on the snowman. Let's do his hat and his little buttons. So I'm doing red paint on the hat for the ribbon, and I did a little orange nose snowdrops. Last of his lips. Oh, no! I'm going to use red face paint because I feel like it will be a lot more vibrant. Adding the green bow details. Who's ready to see the end result? Here's the end result, guys. Be honest, is this a cute or a fail? Give this video a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you haven't already.